Ask anybody about me. Ask Kyle. Ask Wool. Ask Aiden. Ask Great. See one remember me at COVID time. Me there second about you remember me. Ask who are them school. None of them know for me to say what I say. I come here and say me. You call me. You see?
My mother tell me, the shop got great. It's like a suspension and thing or something come out of. No, too big. Come and touch a class here and read. That be my work and thing. I read. Come on, you sit down and talk to me and say, yo, Ray, I'm believe, you know, man to man, you know, sir. Read. Don't call, sir. Sir, really actually really come like a father to me. I'm not going to tell you some man in there right now. I'm looking for you, sir, you come like a father to me, sir. Believe me, I tell you, sir.
So Kyle just tell me, say, I never really mean that. We just want to see him bad. So we have the teacher from that viral social media video, Sanjay Stephenson, and two of his students in the video. Kcamoni Henry is beside him, and Kyle Davis is at the end. But I had the balling thing this morning.
No, I won't.
Because he's a baller, you know, brother. Don't try that, you know.
I won't.
Tell me about your style as a teacher. You teach food and nutrition, so tell me about your style as a teacher.
All right, my style is a bit unique because I give of myself towards my students. I basically use real-life situations to incorporate in my lessons and, you know, just be a fun teacher to my students.
Where did that come from? Because some teacher come to the class and say, sit down, I don't want to hear no noise. And where did that come from?
All right, so from my high school teacher, Mrs. Johnson Scarlett, she was very selfless. She encouraged us to just be ourselves in the classroom, likewise, yeah.
Yeah. Give me a specific example of something that you may do as a teacher that might be a little bit different from the other teachers do. I'll ask the young men that also, but give me an example.
All right, so I would put my phone on and the students will take it up, video themselves. I don't have a problem with that. Once it's clean videos, then I don't have a problem with that. So I just allow the students to use my device at all times.
Them two man, you get trouble?
Not really.
Because I come on and say, careful, you know? Come on, what about, sir, that you,
yeah,
that
so
you
Mr.
think
Stephenson, what him the difference from what I teaching them skills, him know for level upon our level. So, you know, everybody come from a different background, so everybody move different, you know. Him know for like going all of the background and moving all of the way, you know, for.
Give me an example of something that he would have done with you that you kind of say, wait, like a teacher.
All right, so, you know, every teacher tries to and understand teacher, students, but Mr. Stevens to do, him sit down and talk to him on a level whenever it's a teacher do it before, you know.
Outside of schoolwork you're talking about?
Outside of schoolwork, you know, about the background, life and everything. Beautiful. So he talk to me, that give me a really, it give me comfort, you know.
Oh,
so that really make me.
Yeah. Kyle, what about you? Come see, I say, I'm a father, I love you, you know. Kyle just look a good grade from me, though, you know. So.
No, not really, sir, but really and truly, really come like a father to me. As I said in the video, my father is not really here right now, but every day I like, sir, really, like, so when I get, I don't know what.
It's all right, man, no problem, no problem. You can't get emotional, man. That's good.
I'm all about that, you know.
He's a baller, too. So you say two of them to start ball for you?
Yeah, I let you play football,
man. Wow. Eh?
Crazy.
What made you cry? I'm being serious. I'm not teasing
to see the love that the students poured out to me, knowing that sometimes I can be very stern on them, and it's just the genuineness of the students.
Yep. Not everyone likes the Heavenly Father.
That's right.
Everybody like you, or some people don't like your style. Student and
no,
peers.
Not everybody likes me, but
no, I mean your style of teaching. I mean,
well, not really, but I try to cater to all my students' needs. I do a needs assessment to my students to see how can I cater for their learning abilities, because you know different students have different learning abilities. So I try to sit down and assess the different learning style for each student.
Jonathan Grant is co-ed.
Yes, it's co-ed.
And so you teach females also?
Yes, sir.
Do they get the same response?
Well, they love me more than the males. They do.
Hey, come on, you go, sir. I don't have food. Hey, so you guys going to do what Sir doing, food and nutrition? Is that what you want to do, or this is just a class for you?
No, you know, well, food and nutrition, me have it now my second plan, because really and truly, I want to go all over on the football.
Oh, you want to play professional football?
So, I want to go back all over on the football. So really and truly, I will my second plan, or I'm going to both of them. You know, I have a restaurant or something.
I would suggest for the time being you do both of them until you ensure that,
which one one.
yeah, because it's to be a professional footballer is not going to be easy.
What you say?
Anywhere in the world. What about you, Kyle?
Well, same thing as Kcamoni said, that's going to be my second option. My first option was I want to be a professional football fan. I was a little boy because my uncle, my cousin, he run in the blood, so it kind of motivate me. Say I want to be just like them.
Yeah.
But as this Kcamoni say, I can do the same. But sometimes my grandma say nothing. It can be anything you want to be.
Yeah.
But she says at the same time football must not work out. But if that's what you want to be, I was gonna be there for your grandson. I was gonna support you and thing. But the chef now, reason I want to be a come true. Everybody love them belly and thing.
Everybody love them belly.
So,
come on, him can play football.
I do you think, man?
This mean him no good.
No, man,
Kyle, him can play.
yeah, man. Every day I look for my friends say, bro, if we just put a mind to it, we can reach it. We can.
You can. You can. Sir?
Yes.
Speak to the students. Look in that camera and speak to the students. Because young people, especially young men, get a hard time when not behave and this. And you have some youngsters who seem like they want to do the right thing. So tell the youngsters what.
All right. To all my students, to the students that are here, I love you guys so much. Continue to be great. Continue to be in yourself. You can be anything you want to be.
Why did you become a teacher in the first place, by the way?
I think it was destined for me to become a teacher. And you have to be called to the profession.
Any regrets?
No, not at this time.
All right. We have two more students. Come now. You can't talk, but let them say since you come with sir. Let's come behind them. Let's come behind them. Let's come behind them. What's your name? Alexander? Joel Walker. Joel Walker. Alexander and Joel, all from Jonathan Grant, an outstanding teacher. Great to meet everyone.
Thank you.
And good luck.
Yes, sir.
Good luck.
Same.
Find out what you want to do, find out how you must get it, and don't stop till you get it. Zane?
Yes. Zane, man.
All right. Viral social media teacher from Jonathan Grant High School in Spanish Town, Sanjay Stephenson, sir, and two of his students, well, four of his students, Kcamoni, Henry, and Kyle Davis, Alexander, Joel. We're going to go for a break. When we come back, we talk about the recently opened Thelma Ruth Global Grace Nursing Facility in St. Catherine. But first, here's the second edition of News in 5.
Dependable God. It doesn't matter what comes my way, you are still God. Intentional God. Everything is working out for my good. Dependable God. It doesn't matter what comes my way, you are still God. Intentional